Okay, let's open this box.
Fatima, are you excited?
I'm excited to see what's inside. Let's open it. This is what I see inside the box, and now it's for the big reveal. So I guess it's a gift for getting 100,000 subscribers. So let's open it now. Whoa, what is this? Oh, that's so cool. I think it's like a silver play button or something. Let's open it up. Oh, this is amazing. Look at that. That's so cool. It has like the silver YouTube play button. The silver YouTube play button. Can you open this? You can't open this. This is what the okay. This is really cool. It says, Maryam Masud, congratulations on passing 100,000 subscribers from YouTube. This is amazing. I like it so much. Okay, so thank you all so much for letting me come this far with 100,000 subscribers. I really appreciate all of your support and help. So thank you all so much again and again for 100,000 subscribers. It's a really great achievement. Alhamdulillah. I'm really glad. And our next stop is 1 million subscribers, inshallah. So in order to do that, I need all of your help. So, and obviously this is something someone would want for the dunya, but my main goal is not for the dunya. My goal here is to for the akhirah. I want to inspire little kids to memorize the Quran, read and understand the Quran. And this is a really nice thing. I really like it. And now I will keep it over here.